this. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. In today's video I'm going to be unboxing my new phone, Oppo A78. For those of you who follow me on Instagram at Fortune Kingsley 1, and for those who have my WhatsApp number, like my very close friends, you can remember I've always been complaining about my phone having memory issue. There's nothing wrong with the phone, it's just that the memory capacity is too small for a content creator like me. So I have been hoping to get a new phone, like to upgrade, and thankfully I got a gift. Yes, this phone is a gift, and today I want to use this unboxing to celebrate my successful 1,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel. So guys, stay back, watch it, relax, comment, subscribe if you've not subscribed. Give it a thumbs up. Please like this video and drop a comment for me. If you have any question you would like to ask me, please drop a comment for me on the comment box. I'll be glad to read your comments. This is the phone. It's gotten from Fine Brothers. So let's go ahead and unbox it without wasting much time. Like, I can't wait. I can't wait. Yeah, so this is the phone, Oppo A78. I got it and the memory size is 8GB and 256GB. I had to go for the one of 256GB, even though the phone is an expandable memory phone. Then this is the phone pouch. We are going to get to this one later, so let's unbox this one. And then to the star of the moment. This is it. Ta-da! So let's see. Hold it here. Bring it out. Look at the beauty. Look at the beautiful phone. Look at that. It's so cute. Wow, the color is beautiful. It's green. It's beautiful. Yeah. Let me remove the phone details that one is supposed to see. Wow, look at the phone. Hold on, let me get this out of the way. It's reflective. Wow, this is so beautiful. And the beautiful part is that it has curved edges, and I love it. Yeah, I love it that way. It has curved edges. So let's turn it on while we get into what is remaining. So that is it. It's turning on. So let's get into the pack and see what is remaining inside. Oh, so this is the cable, charging cable, and this is the charging block. 67 watts. Beautiful. So you can pull it out if you want to use it before plugging. After charging, pull it in, and it's heavy. Wow, seems like a good quality charger. All right, so there is nothing more inside the box. That's all it came with. So let's get into the phone. Say hello. So I'm going to select language. It's already on English. Of course, I'm going to use English language. And next, it asks me to select my region. So I'm going to select Nigeria because I'm in Nigeria. Legal information. Next. So it's asking me for the unlock method that I want. So for now, I'm going to choose fingerprints. So I'm setting up my phone password. In fact, I'll be able to use the fingerprints. So it's time to set my fingerprint. Getting the phone ready. So it's asking me about navigation, so I'm going to choose buttons. If you like, you can use gestures, but for now, let's choose buttons. So let's get started. I'm so excited. So I'm done doing the basic setting. So let's get started. This is beautiful. I love the interface. So I want to go and do my wallpaper setting. I think I prefer this one. It's so beautiful. Okay, so let me put the phone pouch. So this is the one it came with, the phone came with. So let's see how it seems. Yeah, it's just clear, nothing serious, nothing much happening. So let me put the one I got by myself and see how it's going to turn out. Oh, cute. Oh, this is very cool. I think I prefer this. It just hit the green color. So this one is going to preserve the phone more. It has more protection, like it's more solid than this plastic one. But this is a good quality one. But I think I prefer this black one that I got for myself. So that is it, guys. In my next video, I'm going to be doing the proper setting up. I'll put my SIM inside. I'm going to select some apps, download some apps, do some settings, like set it in a way that I would love it to be while I use it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you. Bye.